Hello everyone, today we'll help you figure out which Chase card is best for you based on your spending habits. If you want simple everyday cashback, the Chase Freedom Unlimited is perfect. It gives 1.5% cash back on all purchases and bonus rewards on dining and travel with no annual fee. For travelers, the Chase Sapphire Preferred is a great choice. Earn 2 times points on travel and dining, and redeem points through Chase Ultimate Rewards for even more value. If you love premium travel perks, the Chase Sapphire Reserve is ideal. It offers 3 times points on travel and dining, airport lounge access, and elite travel benefits, but it comes with a higher annual fee. For students or those just starting, the Chase Freedom Student Card is great for building credit while earning 1% cash back on all purchases. So whether you want cash back, travel rewards, or premium perks, there's a Chase card for every lifestyle. If this helped, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more credit card tips. Hello everyone.